Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jellin. Today we have a question sent in by Patrick. Patrick keeps track of his time spent each day, kind of on a little timesheet here, and he has the time in column B. And then in column C, if this is time that he spent helping another department, he puts the abbreviation for that department. He says at the end of the month, he would like to build a pie chart showing how much time he spent for other departments, but ignoring all of the, let's say, internal time. And he said, right now he's doing that by hand, basically adding that up. I said, well, hey, if you have a complete list of the departments, if you know which departments would possibly come up in the pie chart, just put those over in a blank section of the spreadsheet, a list of all those departments. And then what we can do is use the SUMIF function. Now, normally, when we build the SUMIF function, it wants to know what range we're interested in looking at. And rather than hard code that I'm going from C2 down to wherever the last row happens to be today, I just said I want to look at everything from C:C. In other words, the entire column, and check to see if it's equal to this department here in G4. If it is, add up the corresponding value from column B:B. That says all of column B. And what that'll do is that'll go through and look for this and see that we spent 0.4 hours on the ATAC department. And then, of course, it's easy to copy that down and have everything work perfectly. Once we have that set up on the right-hand side, then, of course, it's easy to go through and create a pie chart to show those values. Now, I thought instead of actually showing percentages here, I did go through and change the chart options to have data labels show the category name, that's the department, and the value, so that way we could actually see how many hours were spent on each department instead of a percentage. I'm not sure that a percentage is necessarily that useful. Hey, accounting department, I spent 14% of my time on you. It's more meaningful to say, hey, I spent 27 hours last week on you, or 27 hours last month on you. So I did make that change, and then also went through and changed the default colors that Excel uses. Easy to do. First click selects the whole pie. Second click selects just one wedge of the pie. And then you right click, format data point, and choose a different color. So you can very easily customize this to use more vibrant colors than what Excel normally does. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.